At the Beeman, we run a range of completely free beekeeping courses throughout the year. This coming May, we'll be running a half-day honeybee swarm control course. All our free half-day courses run on the last Saturday of the month, starting at 1:30 p.m. As usual, there'll be refreshments and Suzanne's homemade soup available without charge. We don't sell any beekeeping equipment, so no selling. Why are they free? Because we love honeybees and are passionate about their survival. So join us for a day with the Beeman, Corsock, Dumfries and Galloway.